Today I plan to install a center mirror on our 2020 Polaris Ranger Crew 1000 Premium. This is the mirror that I'm going to install. It's made by Chemimoto. Here are the instructions and mounting hardware. This is how the mirror looks from behind. There you see the adjustment screws to tighten it up. Following the instructions, here's how it looks so far. Note, I did have to use my rotary tool and polish some of this nice coating off of this bracket in order to get this bolt to fit through the plate. It was so tight I couldn't quite fit it through, so I had to polish off a little bit of that coating, and then it went through without a problem. Well, there we are. The mirror has been installed and it looks nice. Provides a good field of view. There you can see how it's mounted up on the back. This Chemimoto center mirror is going to be a really nice addition on the trail. Definitely going to enhance our experience.